Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2011 Kawasaki Ninja 650, 650cc inline twin, fuel injected engine, 6-speed transmission. Spike's in very good condition. The body is near flawless. This bike only has 6,082 miles on it, like new condition. This bike is all stock, runs good. This is a good size, mid-size sport bike. Nice for the taller rider or somebody who's looking for more of an upright position with the handlebars above the triple clamps. Comfortable for commuting. This Ninja 650 is offered at $49.99. Come check it out, Santa Clara Cycle. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.